Managing hardware and software in today's business world is no easy feat. It's a constant balancing act between keeping everything secure and making sure it's all running smoothly. And let's be real, it can get overwhelming fast. Think about it. Just keeping track of all the physical stuff. Computers, servers, networking equipment, it's a lot. And technology, it's always changing. One minute your equipment's up to date, and the next it feels like you're working with dinosaurs. When your hardware gets old, everything slows down, crashes become more frequent, and those outdated systems, they're basically a welcome sign for security threats. The solution? Regular upgrades and maintenance. But that's easier said than done. It's not just about swapping out a piece of gear, it means investing time, money, and sometimes even having a whole IT team on standby. And even then, with so many devices to manage, things slip through the cracks. It's no wonder downtime creeps in. Now let's talk software. It's always evolving. Updates, patches, new features, it's like a never-ending cycle. But skipping these updates isn't an option because that's how hackers find their way in. Yet actually keeping software up to date across every device in a company? It's a logistical nightmare, especially if you're dealing with a bigger organization. Plus, don't forget about managing software licenses and compliance. It might sound boring, but ignoring it can lead to some hefty fines. And then there's the frustration of outdated applications, software that doesn't quite mesh, or configurations that just aren't right. All of that takes a toll on productivity and security. And let's not even get started on cybersecurity. Every day, hackers are getting more sophisticated, hunting for any little gap in outdated systems or unpatched software. It's a game of cat and mouse, and if you're not on top of things, the consequences are real. Data breaches, financial hits, and even damage to your company's reputation. It's the kind of stuff that keeps business owners up at night. Without proper management, it's easy to end up using hardware or software that's past its prime, and that's just asking for trouble. Staying protected means having strong security protocols, doing regular updates, and keeping a close watch on everything. But let's be honest, it's a big ask. Not every company has the time, resources, or expertise to keep up with all that. On top of all this, there's the productivity angle. When your hardware and software aren't running smoothly, it shows. Slow computers, crashes, and connectivity issues. They're not just inconvenient, they're time wasters. And when you've got employees wrestling with outdated systems or dealing with software that doesn't quite work together, it's more than just a headache. It's costing your business. So what's the answer? Proactive management. Regular hardware audits help you spot outdated equipment before it becomes a problem. Using centralized software tools can make the updating process a whole lot easier. And honestly, investing in cloud-based solutions can be a game changer. They offer automatic updates and better security, taking some of the pressure off your IT team. For smaller businesses, outsourcing IT management can be the smartest move. It lets you tap into expert knowledge without having to handle everything yourself, so you can stay focused on what you do best. At the end of the day, managing hardware and software is all about staying ahead of the curve. It's challenging, but it's doable. And with the right approach, you can keep your business running smoothly, securely, and productively. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your network, and subscribe for more insights on business tech and security. Stay secure, stay productive, and we'll see you in the next one.